Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you for joining us. So today's recipe, it's this easy, very easy, quick, delicious summer risotto. But please stay tuned, guys, and let's cook. You will want to make this recipe every now and then after you finish checking out this recipe. I came back from work and I needed to fix something for the family to eat. The first thing that came into my mind was risotto because I've got a lot of cherry tomatoes in the garden. They're all ripe, so I decided to make something delicious. It's fast and very easy. The ingredients for this recipe, guys, will be listed out in the description box. What I did first was to go in with some amount of olive oil. For risotto, I love to go in with olive oil. And then add my brunoise sliced onion. Brunoise is just small cubed sliced onion, just like this. Still sweat a little bit, and next you want to add in your garlic. At this point, I will introduce my pressed garlic and stir here and there. After then, you want to go in with risotto rice. Risotto rice shouldn't be washed, but if you care, you can go ahead and wash yours. And you want to go for a specific risotto rice made for risotto. This small short looking rice, okay, this is for risotto. So you want to go in with your risotto, stir for about 3 minutes, and then you will declare with coconut milk. Small amount of, you shouldn't go for too much coconut milk because they are very intensive and fat, okay. So I added my coconut milk. On a usual classic recipe, you would declare with white wine, but this is the recipe we are having for today. After then, you want to go in with small amount of warm water or vegetable broth if any is available. Next, I will season with white pepper. Again, I went in with all-purpose seasoning and just small amount of salt. You want to continue to harden your liquid and stir. The reason of adding liquid and stir is to prevent this from sticking from the bottom of your pot and to produce those creaminess you want to achieve for a risotto. You can't harden all your liquid once when it comes to risotto, okay? Because stirring is, the more you stir, the more it's creamy, okay? And risotto is one name, a la minute. A la minute is instant cooking and eating, because the more if you just leave risotto for 2 minutes, it will stick, it will harden up again. You will have to keep on adding water, liquid, to make it that creamy to your texture, okay? That's why it's an instant menu. So next, I will go in with my summer tomato. Like these tomatoes, guys, they are amazing. I think next year I'm going to do more. They taste amazing. So introduce on your pan, let the liquid dry up, and then add in small amount of olive oil, some season with small amount of salt until you see those beautiful brown color. You are ready to go. Bring back my risotto and continue to stir to get those texture that I'm looking for, guys. Look at this. This is what I want for risotto. They tasted amazing, I tell you guys. Please give this recipe a try and let me know how it was. Just serve and then add in your roasted tomatoes. I added some roasted almonds. I added some basil, okay, and then some touch of balsamic glaze. They are amazing, guys, okay? They tasted great. The balsamic glaze, it was just, the harmony was amazing. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your loved ones. Leave your comment down below and see you in my next one. Bye for now.